Thank you for clicking on this video, and I might not be wrong by guessing that you are now in a confused state, thinking of choosing BDS as a career for yourself or not, or some of you might have already joined or enrolled yourself in a BDS college. If that is true, then welcome and congratulations for your beautiful journey ahead. Hi, I'm Asta, a dental student in DSCDS Bangalore, and thank you for visiting my channel Asta's Aura. If you are new, then welcome. If you are my regular sub, then welcome back to my YouTube channel. This video is all about first year of BDS, so let's dive into the video to know more. Firstly, let's know what is BDS. So BDS is Bachelor of Dental Surgery, and in this we have to study total of 5 years, where 4 years will be of academics and 1 year is a rotational internship. The first 3 years of BDS will be a combination of both dental as well as medical subjects, whereas the 4th year will be pure dental subjects. Things to buy as a first year of BDS student. So the first doubt that every student gets is, do BDS students wear white coat? Yes, we do wear them, and we have to compulsorily wear them during the practical classes. And the second doubt will be, will the college be providing us or should we buy it? The college will not provide you, but you have to buy them through the college because unka logo, college ka logo is compulsory, like in my college, and for us it was for about 400 rupees. My advice would be, please buy 2 of them because एक तो वैसे ही गंदा होने ही वाला है, so you can wear them on alternate days. अगर white coat ले रहे हो तो white coat ceremony भी होगा, so you will also be having a white coat ceremony, and that will be very fun. I unfortunately didn't vlog it because मैंने long form videos बनाना start नहीं किया था तब, तो but you record yours, okay? Second and the most important thing to buy is obviously books. So उसमें भी थोड़े students will have confusion कि टैबलेट ले लूँ, एक में ही सब हो जाएगा, कि बुक्स लूँ. मैंने ऑलरेडी बहुत बार बोला है मेरे चैनल में, बट आई टेल इट अगेन कि सी, टैबलेट्स is a electronic gadget, and many of the institutions doesn't allow electronic gadgets to be used when a class is going on. So there's very less chances that you will be allowed to bring a tablet inside the class when a teacher is teaching. So buy books, because books you will have a better focus and retention, which I keep saying. So buying books, and books कौन सा लेना है, that will be the second doubt. I have already posted a YouTube video on it, don't worry, जाके देख लो. Everything I have explained in detail, so tension free हो जाओ guys. Okay, then let's go to the next one. Doubt will be about instruments. Am I right? So instruments क्या लेना, because instruments in BDS is very important. So instruments पे we have to buy very common instruments. वो भी मैंने वीडियो बनाया है. कितनी स्मार्ट हूँ ना मैं? नहीं guys, आपके कमेंट्स की वजह से ही बनाया था, because many of them kept asking. So वीडियो ऑलरेडी है. You have to buy, मैं briefly बोल देती हूँ, you have to buy a Macintosh sheet, a carver and wax blocks for DADH to carve the tooth. And then will be our physiology का, उसमें pipettes ले लो, RBC, WBC, hemoglobin, stethoscope. Then how can I miss this guys? Stethoscope. Is stethoscope required in BDS? Stethoscope चाहिए क्या? ये no, because stethoscope is already provided by our college, and वो सिर्फ फर्स्ट ईयर में फिजियोलॉजी का एक एक्सपेरिमेंट होगा, बीपी, उसमें ही यूज़ है. बाय दूसरे में कुछ यूज़ ही नहीं है, तो क्यों लोगे, मनी वेस्ट मत करो. नेक्स्ट में अगर होगा तो मैं वीडियो बना दूंगी ना, डोंट वरी. ओके, देन बायोकेमिस्ट्री में यू हैव टू नॉट बाय एनीथिंग, टू बी ऑनेस्ट, जस्ट बाय अ पेयर ऑफ ग्लव्स वाइल डूइंग यूरिन एक्सपेरिमेंट, बिकॉज यू विल बी हैविंग क्वांटिटेटिव एंड क्वालिटेटिव एक्सपेरिमेंट्स, तो उसमें ग्लव्स ले लो फॉर प्रोटेक्शन. देन क्या बचा है, एनाटमी में ऑल्सो ग्लव्स, दैट्स ऑल, बिकॉज बोन्स, डाइसेक्शन सब कॉलेज ही देगा ना. We are done about talking and discussing of buying things, so let's come to more of a practical sort of knowledge, which is ragging. We have heard many cases of ragging when it comes to medical colleges. तो वही I will tell कि ragging is good until and unless you are comfortable with it and it is not extending to any harassment or mental disturbance. Like हमारे किसी भी colleges में if senior ask you to find out someone's name or just introduce yourself or what are your hobbies, चलो गा के सुनाओ, it's okay until and unless you are comfortable. If you feel that nahi, this is crossing the limits, then you are very much free to tell or inform any of your college people or your family and stop it at that time only. क्योंकि उसको और आगे बढ़ाने से कुछ नहीं होगा, जस्ट और डैमेज ही होगा आपको. सो प्लीज़ फील फ्री टू टेल कि नहीं, आई एम नॉट कंफर्टेबल विद इट, प्लीज स्टॉप वॉट एवर यू आर डूइंग. लेट्स टॉक अबाउट द टाइम मैनेजमेंट, हाउ टू मैनेज टाइम. बिकॉज आपका जो नीट का स्टडी शेड्यूल होगा और स्टडी का सिलेबस होगा इज़ वेरी वेरी मिनिमल व्हेन इट कम्स टू डेंटल सब्जेक्ट्स. एंड आप एक एक बुक भी देखोगे ना, इतना मोटा होगा, पर यू हैव टू नॉट स्टडी ईच एंड एवरी लाइन गाइज. जस्ट go through the PYQs, study the important topics and you're done. Just start studying before the exam. It's not like one night before the exam, but study on a daily basis, जो हमने नहीं किया. So I'm telling you on experience. So study on daily basis to help yourself not have a mental breakdown before exams. Then you're good to go. Let's talk about the fun side of the degree colleges. Those are the fest and the extracurricular activities. Please, please, please go and engage yourself into those activities because पूरा साल सिर्फ पढ़ाई होगा and those 1 to 2 weeks will be of enjoyment. Please go and enjoy yourself. You will be feeling very much free. कि अभी देखो हमारे कॉलेज में क्या सीन होता है, हर एक फेस्ट जो वो कंडक्ट करते हैं उसके नेक्स्ट वीक में एग्ज़ाम्स होते हैं. हर टाइम मेरा एक्सपीरियंस है फर्स्ट ईयर में, एवरी टाइम दिस हैज़ हैपन. एंड हम सोच सकते हैं ना, ओ नो ये फेस्ट अटेंड करने का कुछ ज़रूरत नहीं है, हम पढ़ाई करेंगे, एग्ज़ाम में करेंगे. कुछ नहीं होगा. द वंस हु अटेंड द फेस्ट एंड द वंस हु सिट एट होम एंड स्टडी बोथ गेट इक्वल मार्क्स. बिकॉज वैसे भी हम घर पे रहते हैं, वैसे ही टाइम चला जाता है, वी डोंट नो वेयर द टाइम गोज़. उससे अच्छा गो हैव फन विथ योर फ्रेंड्स, एन्जॉय एंड जियो अपनी ज़िंदगी अच्छे से. How about the exams that you need to give? You have to give 3 internal assessments in a year. Internal assessments consist of theory paper, theory paper के साथ practical और practical experiment and then viva. All these include होके आपको हर ईयर में 3 बार ये पूरा टॉर्चर करना पड़ेगा. अदर दैन दैट यू हैव टू गिव वन फाइनल एग्जाम ऑफ द सेम. So those are the exams you need to give. For more information, okay, I read somewhere that dentists are doctor, artist and engineer, and I quite relate to it because इतना कुछ चल रहा है videos में. It's not just about medicine, it's about art, it's about everything that goes around us, like all the professions in one thing. Because you become a mestri, you become an engineer, you become an artist because you need to draw all the tooth models, you need to carve them, and also you have to make cast, पूरा mold बना के. You sometimes you feel like a chef also, like baking हो जाता है ऐसा सब हो जाता है. And you don't need to worry if तुमसे carving नहीं हो रहा, because सबसे नहीं होता एक बार में. You have to work on yourself. There are plenty of YouTube videos which you can go through. So you can do it, guys. You can do it. What I have heard from my seniors is that first year जितना मज़ा कर सकते हो कर लो, because second year से it will not be the same as I have heard. तो जितना हो सकता है कर लो मज़ा with studying. This is all I have for today's video. If you liked it, please subscribe to my YouTube channel Aastha's Aura and comment your doubts below. I will be very happy to answer to them. See you until the next one. Bye. you.